Hello everyone, welcome back to Yoruba Life TV. Today we are exploring a lively and vital aspect of Yoruba spirituality, the role of music and dance in Yoruba tradition. These art forms are not just entertainment, they are sacred tools for connection, healing, and spiritual expression. In Yoruba culture, music and dance are deeply woven into religious rituals, festivals, and everyday life. They serve as a bridge between the earthly realm and the divine, opening pathways for blessings, healings, and spiritual communication. Yoruba music uses specific rhythms, chants, and songs dedicated to the Orisha. Each Orisha has its own melodies and instruments that invoke their presence. For example, the talking drum mimics speech and can convey messages from the divine. Dance in Yoruba tradition is more than movement. It's a form of prayer and offering as well. During festivals and ceremonies, dancers embody the energy of the Orisha, becoming vessels for divine expression. Their movements tell stories, invoke blessings, or honor ancestors. Music and dance are central to many Yoruba rituals. Whether it's a festival honoring Shango or Oshun, for instance, or a ceremony for ancestral veneration, the rhythms and movements create a sacred environment that invites divine presence. Music and dance also have healing powers. The rhythmic drums can bring emotional release, spiritual cleansing, and community bonding. They help us connect with our inner selves and the divine energy around us. You can incorporate music and dance into your spiritual practice by listening to traditional Yoruba songs or drumming recordings, moving your body in dance as a form of prayer or meditation, attending cultural festivals or drum cycles in your community. Music and dance are powerful tools for connecting with the divine, healing, and expressing your spiritual joy. They remind us that spirituality isn't just about words, it's about feeling, movement, and celebration. How do music and dance play a role in your spiritual life? Share your experience in the comment section below so that others can be inspired. Thank you for tuning in to Get a Better Life TV. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring insights. Stay blessed and keep walking your spiritual path with reading and love. Thank you and bye for now.